Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tuesday and I love to unbox fashion with all of you, so let's jump in. Today I have my second Fashom box, but it's the first time that I'm actually filming it. So the first box that I actually got from Fashom, and let me tell you that I was a little late to get on the Fashom train. They reached out to me when they first kind of got started, and I didn't see enough things that I felt comfortable with to trust that they were like a legit company. But then I saw a couple YouTubers doing it, and so I jumped on and I was like, okay, cool. So I did the first box, I got it. I was mildly impressed. But I just never filmed the video because it just, time crunch and some things were happening in my life. So this is the first Fashom box that I am actually filming and putting up on YouTube. So it's my first kind of review with all of you. Fashom works kind of the same as a lot of the subscription boxes that you guys have seen me open, but it works also a little bit differently. So instead of the stylist kind of totally doing all the work on the front end, they just do some of the work. So you pick your little stylist, and that was very belittling, wasn't it? You pick your professional stylist, and they put together like about 7 pieces or so that they think you might be interested in, and then from those you pick 5 that you want to try on. They'll send them to you, you try them on in your home, just like a Stitch Fix or a Trendsetter or anything like that. Send back what you don't want and pay for what you keep. So that's kind of how it works. Let's jump in. All right, so the first item is black collared shirt. Ooh, I like this. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. And I hope the lighting in here isn't really crazy. Maybe I'll come on this side. Because it's very lightweight, which is perfect for, you know, Arizona summer. So it's breathable, perfect for work. Still wearing the all black ensemble. I love the little like roll up sleeve here. Now I have a love-hate relationship with kind of stitched roll-up sleeves. They always have to be ironed because they never stay the way they're supposed to. But these actually look like they're designed to be a little like crazy, like not perfect. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, which could be great for me. So my type A personality needs to know that something isn't supposed to be perfect, and then I can be okay with it. It's got 2 pockets in the front. Polo. Try and go to the side. Sorry, kind of block out some of the sun I have coming through in my office. Great cut on the hem. This is a great shirt. I really hope this fits. Sometimes shirts like this don't fit across my bust, and we've kind of already talked about that. But this one looks good. It's a medium. All right, next. I've got this kind of, I don't know what color, pinky red top here, and it's got the crisscross up front. Yep. It's by Skies Are Blue, which is a brand that I'm very familiar with from Stitch Fix. And actually, the crisscross is in the back here, so I feel like you could probably wear this either way, like with the crisscross in the front or the back. Just turn it around. Doesn't look like it's okay, so here's a detail I missed when I was looking. This does have a kind of a balloon sleeve here, and so it's got the elastic on the end, and then this little like elasticy part right here. We'll see how I feel about that. When I saw this in my collection, I wasn't really super thrilled. I have to be honest, like of the pieces that I had available to pick from, I wasn't like super thrilled about any of them. But I was like, okay, we'll give it a shot. We'll see what happens. I am looking to add more like blush tones to my wardrobe right now. For some reason, I'm just kind of on a pink kick. So we'll see how this one works out with these interesting sleeves. So there's that. Oh, here we go. Now this is the kind of pink I'm talking about. All right, this is a tank, pink tank, a basic, good basic with the open kind of back line there, the keyhole back line, V-neck front, provided that the armholes aren't too wide. This is a good summer basic. I can throw this on under a blazer and still like wear this to work as the little pop of color. It's got a good hem on it. Kind of fun. It's by Article Wrinkles of Society, amazingly enough. I really love that brand. So, okay. This is turning out better than I thought it was going to, just for the record. Then I have a pair of jeans here. Now, I'm pretty sure these are going to be too big, but we'll see. They're size 8. They're from Just USA. It's a brand I've never heard of. But this is a mid-rise destroyed skinny jean in a kind of a dark wash. I like the distressing on them. I'm just afraid that the waist is going to be too big, but we'll see. Depending on the brand, I can be anywhere from a 6 to an 8. So we'll see how these work out, but I'm already feeling the stretch in them, and I just think they're going to be too big. And you guys know how I feel about the whole pulling up on the denim all day. It bothers me. All right. And then the last item in here is another pair of kind of jeans in a blush pink. So even though I don't remember telling Fashom that I was looking for blush pink, they seem to know. So maybe it's on trend for spring. I haven't really been keeping up that much with like my fashion magazine reading, so who knows. These are the Rubberband stretch denim. Oh, it's by Rubberband stretch denim. These are the skinnies, and they are a size 29, 9, 10. So I may just have like my sizing wrong in on my thing, because the last time I bought from Fashom, I was slightly heavier, or I should just say I was carrying weight in a different place. So I was wearing a 29. Now I'm kind of down to a 28. But again, it just kind of depends. So we'll give these a shot, see how they work out. I've never had a pair of like blush or pink pants, so I'm interested to see what they'll look like, if nothing else. All right, so that's the 5 pieces that I've got. I am going to try them on and give you a little show. Let's do it. I'm going to be completely honest and tell you that I wasn't really sure how I was going to feel about this top. But it turns out I like it a lot more than I thought I would. It's very comfortable, very lightweight, and I have a little cami on underneath here that I was wearing with my other shirt. I just didn't bother to take it off. I do love these sleeves. As you guys now know, I love a unique sleeve, and this definitely fits the definition. Is this a little bit itchy? Yes, I have very sensitive skin, so I am very sensitive to how fabrics feel on the skin, and anything with elastic always tends to bother me just a little bit, but I do find that often I get over it. Like, as the day wears on, I get used to it. So as long as it doesn't make me turn red or anything like that, I'm usually good with it. The sleeves on this are a teensy bit short, but it works because they are a balloon sleeve. So like my watch, my watch hits low, and you can see like where it hits, and it still feels fine. When I have my jewelry on, it's gonna be perfectly fine. So this is a top that I actually like a lot more than I thought I would. Here's the back. Kind of like doing my squats again so you guys can see. And then you can also check out the jeans. So these actually fit, which is great. They are low rise though, and so I don't really know how I feel about that. Believe it or not, these are actually an ankle skinny on me, and I do mean like my ankles, not somebody else's ankles. And so they totally work. I'm gonna try and give you a little foot flip here. There you go. Yep, see, look, they come all the way to my ankle. I'm really excited about that. And it may be because of where they fit, because it is a lower rise, that this works. These are definitely something I'd have to belt, to wear. It's been a little while since I had a low-rise jean. I've just gotten to a point where I'm just like, why am I struggling to keep jeans on my hips when I could just buy a higher rise? But these are really cute, and they're very comfortable, and I think with a belt, they would be great. Yeah. When I go back to the video, like to look back, I will see what my rear looks like, because that's always a concern for me. These pockets are lined, which is kind of nice. Wow, yeah, they're lined. Okay, that's interesting. But I love the color, and I had this on with the shirt that I had on at the beginning of this video, and it worked with that too. So I feel like it's already kind of meshing into my closet with some of the things I already have. So, and as promised, like I said, I'm already getting used to the feel of this kind of elastic here where I wasn't even noticing it anymore. So, all right, this is the first outfit. I'm going to try on the other pieces. Be right back. Okay, I could tell from the moment I put this on to my body that this shirt was not going to work. So this black shirt is totally not going to work. I don't like the way that it feels across on my arm. It's like cutting into my arm. It occurs to me as I'm trying these pieces on and kind of looking at the tags that maybe the sizing for Fashom is junior sizing instead of Mrs. sizing, which is what I'm used to shopping for. Because like these pants, so these pink pants are 9-10, which is something that you don't normally see in Mrs. sizing. It's just even numbers like 8, 10, 12, etc. You usually see that like 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, junior sizing. So maybe that's why they sent me those. And same with the other jeans, the distressed jeans that I actually could not get over my legs. They're 20. They say they're 29, but I think they're sized for like a junior size 29. So they have a much slimmer build to them. And I think maybe that's the issue with this shirt too. This is a medium, but it doesn't feel good on my arms. And like as I'm going to close it, it's really tight across the chest. I don't care for it. So I'm not even going to really bother. You get the gist of it. But anyways, here's the, turned up arm there, and it's got the fun pockets. And I'm a little disappointed about this shirt because I think it would have been a cute work shirt for summer, but alas, it is what it is. So let's just get rid of that. Throw these glasses on again really quickly. All right, so out of that. So here's the pink tank top. Again, it's just a basic. It's wrinkled right now, but we can fix that. There's the back, so you can see. And yeah, it's cool. It's light. I've got, like I said, I have my little cami on underneath, but I probably wouldn't wear that with this, although, great layering piece if I needed to. I love that it has a nice wide strap. It fits, like, well across my body, so, like, kind of gives me a little bit of a shape, but doesn't like stick to anything that I don't want it to stick to. It's got a fun hem on it, which once it's ironed will be really cute. Perfect with like a pencil skirt. These jeans, I could wear any other jeans. I've got white jeans. I can throw this probably underneath a blazer. Oh look, here I've got one. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Just gonna throw on a blazer really quick. Yeah, a little something, a little edgy, something like that. Although I probably wouldn't pair this together. I think this tank really stands on its own, to be quite honest. I think if I was gonna wear a jacket with it, I might go with a shorter one, like this. Oops. So here's my short moto jacket. And yes, for the record, like, my office is like another closet for me. I've got a rack of clothes over here that I pull from a lot. I've got like handbags on places and scarves and jewelry and accessories. So something, yeah, a little edgier like that. Probably go a little better with this, if I was going to go that route. But this tank stands on its own. It doesn't really need anything necessarily, but if I want to throw a little something on it, I totally could. Okay, so that is this little haul. I think it's time to do a recap. Okay, we're back and ready for the recap. Okay, actually, I'm not ready for the recap. Oh, here we go. All right, here's the envelope with all the info that we need to tell us about what was in this Fashom box. Okay, let's start with the Rubberband Sarina skinny pants. These were the blush pink ones, and I noticed they had some really cool details on the pockets. I was looking to see like what the lining was actually like on the back of these pants. They've got some other fun details like this embroidered stitching that's here on the belt loop, and it's also on the side somewhere. Yeah. Right here. So I just thought that was really cool. They're really comfortable. They were comfortable enough that I actually like put them back on when I couldn't fit into the other distressed skinny jeans, because I just wanted to get a really good feel for them. Yes, they are a low rise, which is not really my cup of tea, but I just feel like they're so comfortable and really great for summer, just to have some different colors, because I'm a jeans and t-shirt girl. I've said it a million times and I will continue to say it because it's true. I'm a jeans and t-shirt girl, so I like to have as many colors of denim as I can possibly get my hands on. I don't believe there's a such thing as too many pairs of jeans. So I just think that this would be a really great addition to my wardrobe. They are $48. Next up is the little camp shirt, the little black rayon, I call it a camp shirt, by Desfios. I might be pronouncing that wrong. Too small. Just don't like the way it's going to fit on my body. It's $33. This is the Articles of Society pink tank top, which I think is comfortable, stands on its own by itself. Love the keyhole back. Love the material. Articles of Society have never let me down. This tank top is $35. Pricey for a tank top, but again, knowing quality of the label, worth it. Then I have this blush Skyzer blue striped top with the fun sleeves. It is $34, which is a great price for Skyzer blue. Again, quality of label means so much. This is a fun top. I think this is something that would really get me into the fall. My only hesitation, of course, is that it's a little trendy. So I, would have to think about, okay, how do I feel about perhaps carrying on this trend into, the rest of the year, because it's going to get warm here in Southern Arizona really quick. And it's probably going to be too warm for this type of shirt, although it was very lightweight. So just kind of weighing that and deciding if I think it's worth it or not. But this is a great shirt. And like if I had gotten this shirt, like say back in January or February, I would have had all spring to wear it when it was a little bit cool like it is today. It would have really been perfect. So this is a maybe. And then finally, I have the pair of Just USA denim jeans, and they are $40. Great price for jeans if you are a junior, because I feel like these are junior sizing, and they were really, really skinny. And you guys know I'm curvy, particularly through the hips and rear, and I can't do really, really skinny jeans. I'm just not really, really skinny. Skinny, but not really, really skinny. So there's that. And those are my Fashom items. If you purchase 3 items, you unlock a 25% discount. So there's that. So that could be like the deciding factor of like whether I keep 1 or 2 extra things. We'll see. That's it. That's all I got. I'm waiting to hear your feedback, criticism, comments, because I love hearing it. You guys, give me life. And until the next video, live with love, you guys. I mean, why not? All right. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.